TV and radio. They are staple items in nearly every American life. In fact, according to recent statistics, 99% of the population owns at least one TV, and 93% of the population listens to AM/FM radio each week. It's a constant presence that inspires us daily. As a result, industry experts say it's a medium that must constantly change to keep its audience engaged.
Television and radio affects over 300 million people in the United States alone. The broadcast landscape never stops shifting and evolving. For example, it was just 10 years ago that we all worked on the digital television transition that ended nearly 70 years of analog television broadcasting in the U.S. In radio, mediums like HD radio and live streaming have brought amazing new options to listeners. Additionally, compliancy laws are constantly changing, from places like audio volume levels in advertising to required on-air or closed captioning for the hearing impaired. Broadcasters constantly need to stay ahead of the ever-changing demands and needs of listeners and viewers everywhere.
The shift from manual to automated operations has really been happening for over 25 years, but there's little question that's recently accelerated. With more channels emerging through streaming and mobile platforms and less engineering resources and more consolidation, broadcasters are really looking for automation to help cover more ground. We've been at the forefront of solving these problems with reliable, easy-to-use tools that simplify workflows and allow broadcasters to achieve more.
Viewers and listeners consume content in more ways than ever. Radio continues to serve large populations around the world, even though live streaming and podcasting capture bigger audiences. Television viewing has never been so diverse, with options across over-the-air, cable, satellite, and streaming services. Even social networking platforms like Facebook Live, Twitter, and Instagram are capturing viewers. Broadcasters are simply delivering more content across more platforms, and ENCO is empowering them to manage, automate, and monetize those services.
Having an eye for evolution and implementing revolutionary strategies in the industry comes from years of experience and understanding the market with a solutions-driven process.
Building upon our automation expertise and our in-depth understanding of the challenges faced by television and radio, we applied our computer automation techniques to the broadcast studio in the early 90s. We applied the same technology we used in mission-critical manufacturing facilities like touchscreens, intuitive human-machine interfaces, to the broadcast studio. In 1991, we replaced error-prone tape-based systems with a digital audio delivery system we called DAD, D-A-D. DAD increased flexibility and productivity for broadcasters and enabled trouble-free, automated formats that could run for days, weeks, even months without intervention. Thousands of DAD systems have been installed all over the world.
By harnessing the technology and power of modular platforms that offer convenience and ease of use, success works for the viewers, the broadcasters, and the entertainment industry as a whole. Broadcasters face an increasingly competitive market. They eat, sleep, and breathe competition to get the best ratings and the highest numbers of viewers. To attract a larger audience, broadcasters are looking for new and exciting ways to offer more content, and in doing so, rely upon ENCO to give them the tools they need to do more with less. DAD is used at small local community stations, production studios, and top national networks worldwide to simplify workflows from content ingest all the way to delivery, ad logging, and royalty reporting. ENCO's video playout and automation product, MOM, provides the same level of sophistication as their audio product, but is geared towards video.
MOM is absolutely gaining popularity in radio, because now what was traditionally reserved for the television broadcaster, meaning video and pictures, can now be done by a radio broadcaster. You can't see anything on a radio, but many radio stations are broadcasting on internet with streaming. And rather than just having a station logo or a CD album artwork displayed on that, they can actually display video and pictures, the music video, for example.
And caption essentially allows broadcasters to serve their hearing impaired audience and remain in compliance with government regulations for a fraction of the cost of traditional captioning services.
Staying ahead of trends and implementing platforms that are user-friendly are just a few of the reasons why ENCO has established trust with industry leaders with decades of success.
Today we deliver world-class solutions to thousands of stations across 6 continents. We work with some of the biggest names in broadcasting and also serve small local community stations, PBS stations, cable networks, national networks, streaming providers, and many other customers even outside of broadcast. We help them work more efficiently with reliable, software-defined technology that increases efficiency and helps improve their workflows.
ENCO continues to lead the industry by staying current with the latest trends in technology to help broadcasters do more with less and create better content. To learn more, visit ENCO online at enco.com.